Welcome back to Rusty Jeep. Today we're going to be taking apart the dash pad from the frame. We are now taking the whole dashboard out for a few reasons. One reason is I am still going to be doing some wiring work. This is why you don't wire your car. All the wires I've been replacing were just tapped in and like this. You do not want this. I don't need to take the frame off. To take the pad off. So what we're gonna do is I already got all the easy stuff off, the pad stuff off. The only hard one was on this airbag. There are a 10mm bolt in here and a 10mm bolt on the other side. I've seen videos where they say you have to drill out something. You don't drill shit out. Just get a wrench, a ratchet wrench in there, 10mm, and it's gonna take you a while, but slowly get that bolt out and this pad will come right out. Now you can see this is really dirty. I've done some wiring already, but I really need to get in there and clean all this crap up. So I wanna leave the metal frame in there and the wiring in there so I can clean it up and finish that off. But I need this pad off because it's dirty. I need to clean it, and to do a good paint job, I don't care if you're dealing on the body or whatever, you need to be able to clean it thoroughly, and you're never going to be able to get a great paint job of this dash while it's inside. Now, there's a few bolts that hold that metal frame in here, so this pad should pop out. But what I did just in case is on that side, you can see a stud coming out of the middle bolt. The reason being is the metal frame is connected with the pad on the bottom two studs. So I got those two bolts, and the last thing I'm gonna do is take out these studs, and I'll have those bolts hanging out, and hopefully this pad will come right out. So let's get into time-lapse mode and let's get this shit done. There you go. Something I didn't know. The dash pad does come off without the frame of the dash. Most people that are redoing their Jeep are not going to mess with electrical. This would work perfectly for them because the electrical stays. You could even leave the steering wheel on. This probably would come right out. You get to prep it the right way. You get to clean it, paint it, and then put it back on, make your life a lot easier. A lot of problems with people painting stuff is they're not doing it the right way, but that's a different video. I will be getting into the electrical work. That is a different video. The pegs did exactly what I want to do. You're still bolted up here, but you are kind of flimsy down here. They're sitting on the pegs and help me line up when I put it back on. So you don't have to use the pegs. I like the pegs there because someone on this one, like normal Jeep fashion, cut the speaker bracket. So this is giving a little support, and this is going to help me line this back up to make sure that this is straight because someone from the ghetto put a stereo system in. So, and alarm system in, and electric start on the standard. And you see what I'm dealing with here? A bunch of crap. But we're gonna get it all sorted out. We're gonna get this painted and hope to see you later on. Like, subscribe, share. Don't break anything. Have a great day.